parte la Cosmote. Cosmote, alături de tine. Pentru sănătatea dumneavoastră, evitați excesul de sare, zahăr și grăsimi. Acest program poate fi vizionat de copii în vârstă de până la 12 ani, numai cu acordul sau împreună cu părinții ori familia. Genul programului Aventură.
Previously on the OC.
I am on the air to promote my book.
Good, because if you think this little trip of yours is going to send me scurrying back to France.
Ada told me of your studies, the series of articles you wrote. You like to make me look good, I get that. But any part of you wishes it were true. I think I should go.
Kirsten, I am so sorry that you've been running a prostitution ring through our business.
I like it.
What do you say I give you a call when I leave? I think we should stay engaged.
I don't think that you can be with someone until you can be with yourself.
Oh, that sounds like a...
Yes, it's a no.
Dude, I asked the girl to marry me. And she said no, as long as she broke up with you. That would have been better. Someone says they don't want to marry you, you're supposed to break up. Now we got to keep on dating like everything's normal. When there's a ginormous elephant in the room. Yeah, there's an elephant? Yeah, I don't want to marry you elephant. All right, look, there's no elephant. There's no breakup.
It's a breakup. How else do you explain 17 unreturned phone calls?
17?
First 12 were apologies for that stupid lie I told Henri about Ryan. And after that, it was just kind of a blur. Sooner or later, you have to call me back, right?
Call when I'm ready. What? Bye.